Hey guys, I'm Josh, SavinABuck. I wanted to make this video here to share with you two exciting projects we have going on this summer, and one of them, which is behind me, is for me. It's an outdoor barbecue for Dad, as I call it, and I haven't gotten started on it. I built this little lean-to and probably a year ago. Haven't had time to get started, so we're going to get started on this project. And I have a new home build for my daughter. It's going to be a small farmhouse on the other side of the property. Alright, with this project here, we're going to be using a lot of reclaimed lumber and metal that I took out of a old barn that I tore down. We're going to incorporate it in this, build us a bar. I've got a live ash top that I done a little job for somebody. In return, they give me a full slab, 2-inch slab of ash we're going to use for the bar top, and then we'll put some signs and lights and TV, and hopefully really make it look good. And that'll be a good place for us to hang out and watch football games and things like that. So that's this project. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. You don't want to miss out. It's going to be exciting this summer. We're going to go to the other side of the property and check out where we're going to be building the house. Come on. So behind me, you see this big 2-acre field. This is where the home's going for the daughter and son-in-law. It's going to be built, some by the Amish, some by us. But it's basically going to go here. It's going to be a small 2-story farmhouse. Kind of look like a pole barn, but built traditionally. And you can see the cones are where the house is going to go, and we have some flags set up already out here in the field for the septic guy. He's going to be coming in real soon and installing the tank as soon as the permit's good to go. And that's what we're going to start out with. Those are the two big projects we're going to be doing this summer, and I hope you join us. And if you haven't liked and subscribed, make sure you do that. You don't want to miss out. It's going to get fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. See ya.